If you want to be a high-income sales professional, if you want to make more money, you've got to stop diluting your conversations. Let me explain what I mean. Our data at Easton University shows that the highest income earners out there talk 39% less. Most of us out there that are in sales, in business, even just trying to get a promotion, we talk way too much. We spend way too much time having these lengthy monologues about why somebody should buy our stuff, what are our features, what are the benefits, why should you give me a promotion? And we talk and talk and talk and talk. We've studied thousands of high income earning executives and sales professionals, and what we found is the ones that earn the most money talk 39% less. I want you to think about, instead of having these long, lengthy monologues trying to sell somebody, having a short, clear, and concise two-way dialogue, you're going to find you're going to get your way a lot more. My name's Matt Easton. Follow me for more tips on how to be successful in business and life.